Hi, boys and girls. Yesterday, we looked at various math tools that we can use online to help us count. I'm excited to look at your journals and see which tool you explored and what you learned all about it. Today, we will focus on counting on from a given number using drawn objects or pictures and then representing or showing that answer with a written numeral. Let's take a look at a situation here about visiting on a farm. The tool that we will be using today is the hundreds chart or the 120 chart. You might recognize something like this from kindergarten. The tool that I have here might have been one of the online tools that you might have used yesterday. And you'll notice that I have set it at a different number at the beginning so that it can go to a higher number at the end. All right, let's check out the problem. Mrs. Henderson visited a farm on a field trip. Angel saw 15 cows at the farm. Then she saw the cows shown below. How many cows did Angel see in all? So in order to solve this problem, I want to read the question again to myself to think about what am I going to do to solve it. So, okay. She already saw some cows at the farm. And then she saw some more. So I am going to start at 15 and count on. As I see the cow, I am going to come over to my hundreds chart to help me count on. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. The hint here below says you can use counters or snap cubes. Some of you might have explored those online tools yesterday. We will be using those in a next lesson. But for today, I got the answer 27. Let's try another one together. So I'm going to set my chart again at a number. Mrs. Henderson's class visited a farm on a field trip. Camden saw 65 pigs at the farm. Then he saw the pigs shown below. He counted all the pigs he saw. How many pigs did Camden count in all? So instead of starting up at the top of my hundreds chart, I am going to start after 65. So again, if I read the problem to myself, and I think about where 65 is on the hundreds chart, I'm going to go further down. If he saw more pigs, I am going to count on from 65, and as I touch the pig, I'm going to highlight the number on my hundreds or 110 chart again. So 65, 66, 67. And I'm going to stop here so that you can now use my hundreds chart to see if you can figure out the answer. So again, you're going to start at 65, and then I've already given you a hint, and I've already counted on with some of my pigs. Go ahead and use your finger now on the screen. And then in your math journals, put down which one of these answers you think it is.